Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we proceed, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss my next contents. So today I want to teach you how to fix or resolve Outlook which is freezing or delaying. So first of all, you will go to copy this, or you can just write it. First, you will open your run. You will just go to search and search for run. Then I will just search run. Then I paste this command on run section so that I can open Outlook via safe mode, so that I can be able to troubleshoot it. So let me close and reopen it again. So you have to copy this Outlook outlook.exe /save and paste it on your run. So you'll go to files, then you scroll down so that you can manage com add-ins. Here you can see I don't have any add-in which is making this Outlook to freeze or to delay. So if your Outlook is delaying, here you will find those add-ins that are delaying Outlook. So let us go to step number 2. Step number 2, you have to copy or write exactly this command, starting from the local app data %\Microsoft /Outlook. Then you copy it, open your run, then you paste it, then okay. So here you will go to caches. You have to clear cache, highlight all, then delete. You cleared your Outlook cache. Let us go to step number 3. Then we close this one. Then you will go and search control panel. Under control panel, you have to go to programs. Under programs, you have to go to programs and features. Then you look for Microsoft package. Here you can see I'm using Microsoft 365. So I will right click and click change, then say quick repair. After quick repair, your Outlook will be fine. It won't delay anymore or freeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.